So today we have a speaker that really doesn't sound that alright, but it doesn't even really matter because this speaker has a funny functionality. It has this small LP vinyl and you can even remove it, it's magnetic, and if you play some sound on it, it turns around. And funny thing as well is that if you put your finger on it, it even has a bit of a feeling like a real vinyl did. And even though the sound isn't that great, it does give a bit of a retro sound experience. So it's a bit of a warm sound. It doesn't have a lot of extra treble boost or extra bass boost or anything. It's really a bit of a flat and bit of a muffled sound, but it does fit a bit to this like design language. So without further ado, here are a few audio samples so you can see a bit self how this thing performs.
We both know